make a miniature cozy cabin room.
Tomorrow, I will post the details for the giveaway on my Instagram.
I start with a cardboard box where the front part is cut off and also part of the top. I use a pencil and a ruler to trace where I want the windows to go and cut them out with an X-Acto knife. I cut out 3 windows. I cut strips of white paper and glue them over top of the cardboard seams. I finally finished covering all of the raw edges and now I'm going to cover it with paper. I'm using this rustic, sanded looking kind of wood paper for the floors. For the walls I'm going to use a rustic looking reddish wood. To make the basic room, I glue clear packaging plastic behind the windows. I'm going to make a bed. I cut a long piece of cardboard and 2 strips for on both sides. Also 2 strips that are the width of the top and bottom. Instead of one of the shorter ones for the width of it, I cut a taller piece that can be like the headboard. I cover the pieces with the dark wood paper. I glue the pieces together. To make a bed. To make a mattress, I cut a piece of white fabric that can fit on top of the bed when folded in half. I take a piece of stuffing and then sew around the outside and then turn it inside out to make a mattress. To go on the bed. I also take a piece of pattern fabric and sew along all the sides to make a blanket. I also sewed a few pillows for the bed. Now I'm going to make a hanging swing. To make the base of the swing, I take a piece of fabric and then fold over the edges and glue them down. I take 3 sets of 2 strings and I tie a knot near the bottom of all of them. Then I take 1 string from each and knot them together in the middle, and then do the same thing on the other side. And knot them right there. I keep knotting it until it eventually looks something like this. I gather the extra strings up near the top, and I glue the 3 tails at the bottom to the back of the fabric piece. I also do the same thing and glue them on the other side. I glue the ends of the knotted pieces between 2 popsicle sticks, and then take the remaining ends and pull them to the top, and then tie a knot between them. I glue the knot at the top to another popsicle stick, and glue the popsicle stick going across the corner of the room. You can add pillows to make a swing chair. To make some curtains, I take fabric and then sew along the sides to make a clean finish. I glue the tops of them at the top of the window so that the rest can open up. You can tie them back with string. I glued together pieces of covered cardboard to make a desk. I also added a few other items and details to finish the room. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram. Bye! Hey Rhonda, I think I might have found a place to stay. Could use a little work though. Really? That's great, where is it? An old hunter's cabin in the woods near your house. Okay, be right over. Ooh, Tessa, this is nice. Thanks. I'm thinking a swing there and a bed there.
This is Tessa's house? Perfect! I'll just look up some noises to scare them.
Looks like there's a monster living in your house. I knew it wasn't safe to live in the forest.
Those fools!
Oh no, it's here!
Uh-oh, what if me playing the sounds actually caught it here? I'll kill it!
Who's the fool now, Icicle?